When Peterbilt called and asked us to be a part of this, we were excited. It's an honor, actually, out of all of the Peterbilt customers, for them to want to choose TMC to be a partner with for the 750,000th truck coming off the line. They've been building trucks out of this plant for 43 years, and that's remarkable to have that many vehicles come off of one line. Well, vehicle uptime is very important for TMC and our drivers. And to buy the best equipment on the road. If and when something does happen, they have a strong dealer network behind them to keep the vehicles running. Yeah, drivers have a lot of pride in driving a nice, clean Peterbilt truck. From our standpoint as a company, we look at the total cost of ownership. There's one cost to purchase it, and there's another cost that we realize. A well-maintained Peterbilt truck is going to pay dividends on the back end.